Yeah, what's so funny?
Word emoji.
Daddy's pants on his head or your pants on Daddy's head? Nice. Jack, and you got your...
Ah!
Yoo-hoo! What are you doing? This is what we do. We put the blanket on our head and then we walk blindly around the room. Just plain old walking has gotten too easy for Jack. Jesus. You're so
He like knows he
silly.
was getting close, he was slowing down.
Where are your pants?